Step-by-step instructions to purchase Bitcoin. Bitcoin, maybe the most popular cryptographic money, was ostensibly brought into the world from a rising doubt of government and monetary organizations. After the worldwide monetary emergency of 2008, utilizing Bitcoin, individuals could send cash straightforwardly to their companions without the utilization of delegates like banks or PayPal. In the beyond 7 years, Bitcoin has partaken in a transient ascent in esteem, from £246 in 2015 to its ongoing cost of over £31,000, April 2022. However, it's been an exciting ride for financial backers. For sure, there has been a 40% drop in value from its record high of over £54,000 in November 2021. It can likewise be profoundly unstable over a shorter period of time, with some intraday high-low vacillations of 20 to 40% throughout recent years, as indicated by information from Cointelegraph. Each Bitcoin is mined by the utilization of high-innovation PC equipment to tackle complex maths issues. Be that as it may, Satoshi Nakamoto, frequently referred to as the first maker of Bitcoin, put a cap of 21 million on the complete number of Bitcoins to protect their worth by restricting inventory. Around 19 million Bitcoins have proactively been mined, with specialists foreseeing the excess 2 million might be mined by 2140. Bitcoin stays the most well-known worldwide cryptographic money and is turning out to be all the more generally acknowledged. El Salvador was the primary country to embrace Bitcoin as legitimate delegate in 2021, trailed by ProShares' send-off of the principal Bitcoin-based trade exchange store, ticker BITO. A few significant U.S. retailers presently acknowledge installment in Bitcoin, including Microsoft, Home Depot and Starbucks, despite the fact that, until this point, scarcely any UK retailers have followed after accordingly. Speculation monster Fidelity is allegedly wanting to empower representatives in the United States to remember Bitcoin for their benefits plans. Notwithstanding, putting resources into Bitcoin is intrinsically dangerous. Similarly as with conventional purported government-issued types of money, like real Bitcoin has no characteristic worth other than the trust of different gatherings in tolerating it as a type of delegate. Bitcoin's cost is thusly an element of market interest and, in that capacity, could fall assuming that it's not generally acknowledged for of installment. Subsequently, Elon Musk's declaration that Tesla would quit tolerating Bitcoin as a type of installment for its vehicles prompted a 17% fall in the Bitcoin value in May 2021. Here we check out at the most common way of purchasing Bitcoin, along with elective approaches to putting resources into cryptographic money. If it's not too much trouble, note that putting resources into digital currencies is a high-risk recommendation and you might lose some or the entirety of your cash. There is no assurance that you will create a gain. Crypto resources are unregulated. The FCA says those purchasing digital currency are probably not going to have any assurance in the event that things turn out badly. So individuals ought to be ready to lose all their cash assuming they decide to put resources into them. The most effective method to purchase Bitcoin in 4 stages. 1. Track down a trade or merchant. The initial step is to pick a merchant or crypto trade. A cryptographic money merchant gives a web-based system to work with your contact with a digital currency trade. A digital money trade is a web-based stage that unites purchasers and merchants to exchange digital forms of money. For certain trades, you can purchase crypto utilizing ordinary money. Others expect you to utilize one type of crypto to purchase another. Here, you'd have to track down a second trade to purchase coins that your picked trade utilizes, before you could begin exchanging. With dealers, check the standards in regards to moving your digital forms of money away from a given stage. A few merchants stop clients moving crypto possessions from their record. This could turn into an issue in the event that you chose to hold up your digital currencies in a crypto wallet. 2. Settle on an installment choice. Having picked a trade or merchant, you'll have to add assets to your record before you're ready to begin exchanging. Contingent upon your picked supplier, you can add cash through Charge or Visa from your ongoing record. By means of an electronic exchange, installment administration, or from a digital money wallet. Not all suppliers permit you to utilize their MasterCards to purchase crypto. A few suppliers might permit you to utilize your card to purchase Bitcoin, however, be careful with any charges they could add to the expense of the exchange. Nonetheless, assuming obligation to buy profoundly unstable resources isn't suggested. 3. Submit a request whenever you've moved cash into your record, you're ready to purchase Bitcoins. You ought to enter the money's ticker image, BTC. Select the suitable button on your exchanging menu and enter the sum that you wish to contribute. 4. Pick a protected stockpiling choice. It's essential to take note of that digital money trades are not covered under administrative insurance, for example, the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. In spite of interest in digital protection measures, suppliers stay in danger of robbery or hacking. You risk losing your Bitcoin speculation on the off chance that you misplace or fail to remember the entrance codes to your record. It's likewise fundamental to guarantee that your Bitcoins are held in a safe stockpiling place. You might have barely any choice in the capacity component in the event that you purchase Bitcoins by means of a representative. Be that as it may. Assuming that you're utilizing a crypto trade and exchanging driving monetary forms, you will likely approach an incorporated wallet, or favored accomplice, where you can safely hold your Bitcoins. In the event that you would prefer not to utilize the supplier that your trade is joined forces with, you could move your Bitcoins from a trade to a different, hot, or cold, wallet. Hot wallets. Crypto wallets put away web-based that work on web-associated gadgets, like tablets, PCs and telephones. They are helpful yet may have a more serious gamble of burglary because of their web association. Cold wallets. Outer gadgets, for example. USBs are hard drives that aren't associated with the web and thusly possibly safer. Be that as it may, you will lose admittance to your Bitcoins in the event that you lose or misplace the codes. Moving Bitcoins to a hot or cold wallet might cause a charge, contingent upon the trade. Elective approaches to purchasing cryptographic money. On the off chance that you would prefer not to purchase Bitcoins through a trade or intermediary. There are two backhanded approaches to acquiring openness to Bitcoin resources. 1. Investing in digital money associated organizations. One choice is to purchase partakes in organizations that utilization, or own, Bitcoins and the blockchain that powers them. These may empower you to have an openness to Bitcoins through unmistakable items or administrations that are dependent upon administrative oversight. Here are a few characteristic instances of organizations, albeit these are not proposals. NVIDIA, NVDA. An innovation organization that plans and sells handling units explicitly for mining cash like Bitcoin. PayPal, PYPL. The worldwide installment stage has extended its proposing to permit clients to trade specific digital forms of money, including Bitcoin, with their PayPal and Venmo accounts. Square, SQ. The installment administration supplier for private companies which has purchased great many dollars of Bitcoin since October 2020. You will require an online contributing stage or trading application to buy partakes in openly recorded organizations. If it's not too much trouble, note that the typical admonitions about ventures apply and that there is no assurance that financial exchange speculations will bring in cash. 2. Investing in crypto trade exchanged reserves. Another choice is to put resources into reserves in light of holding digital forms of money like Bitcoins. Trade exchanged reserves, ETFs, are uninvolved speculations that regularly track customary financial exchange files like the FTSE 100 or S&P 500. Crypto ETFs are generally new items that are at present accessible just in specific wards like the US. They are not yet accessible in different nations. Thanks for watching. Friends, I really need your support, so if you liked this video, please like, subscribe to the channel and write any comment right now.